Afternoon, everybody. About to run to the grocery store real quick. It's twilight here. It's about 8:26 p.m. So we're just gonna roll to the grocery store because it's less than 2 mile round trip. No need to take the car. Every chance to take the bike is a win for me. Yeah, so I've been doing this for quite a while now. It was kind of a New Year's resolution kind of thing where if it was an errand I needed to run that was less than 4 miles round trip, I was going to save the gas and take the bike. You know, sometimes I feel like taking the car takes just as long as it would if I just rode the bike. And I'm definitely going to have more fun riding the bike. For stuff that's a little bigger, I'll take a backpack as well, but for the most part, everything I need fit in the bag in the front. Man, it's nice out here. It is in the high 70s currently, and we are in the middle of a heat wave where it's been consistently 90s, like mid to high 90s every day, and we're expecting over 100 this weekend. And we had a thunderstorm come through earlier, and the temperature has just changed dramatically for the better. Still a little humid, but with the wind, it's comfortable. Much more comfortable than it's been being. Actually got lucky. This past winter they installed bike racks at my local grocery store. And I'm super excited about it. Easy enough. Man, this weather is wonderful. Really lucked out this afternoon. Sky is beautiful, a little cloudy. Really nice. See if we can stop for a bike check right here. Shoot. So, this is my 94 GT Timberline. Got it for pretty cheap on Facebook Marketplace. It did need a few things. I've got some cheap Amazon wheels on there. They're fine. They're not name brand, but they work. Max's DTH tires, the 2.1s and the tan wall, they're pretty sick. Definitely roll a lot faster than the old mountain bike tires. Trek frame bag. Still run the factory cranks. Have a 1x chainring on there. 11-speed SLX Shimano drivetrain. I got a Brooks saddle. The Cambium C17. It's okay. Nothing to complain about. Nothing super fancy. It's a good saddle. El Cheapo rear rack. A Wild 137 basket with a Dark Realm 137 basket bag. This bag is fantastic. It has no organization. It's kind of how I prefer it. The organization stuff kind of takes up a whole lot of room in the bag, in my opinion. I can see where organization can be nice, but I have the frame bag for all that stuff. Spank Spoon handlebars. They are 60mm rise with a wake stem, which is pretty sick. Matches the frame, kinda. And then generic stem adapter. Got P&W grips. And everything else is bone stock. Yep, that's my bike. Well, obviously got a little dark on us. Feel free to leave a like or a comment. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Peace.